Happy Monday, y'all. I hope you had a great weekend, enjoyed some time off, didn't do too much schoolwork, just rested, stayed home, watched some TV, played some board games with your families, and yeah. And now we're back to it on week 2, day 6 of distance learning. So we're on lesson 6 today in your packet that I'm going over. And Roxy just wanted to say hi. Say hi, Rox. She's still tired. She just woke up. Anyways, so we are on lesson 6 today in your packet. I know some of y'all may have moved ahead, but it never hurts to still watch these videos and just make sure that the way you did something that you still, that you understood the concept. So, today you're listening to / reading episodes 21 through 24, and we're focusing on making predictions today. So it's asking you, what do you think is going to happen next? And so we take what we've learned in the story, what we know about the characters, just in some of our intuition, when you watch a TV show and you're like, okay, well, based off how this character kind of acts or things that I've seen before, what do I think is going to take place in this story? And so that's predictions, and so that's what that's going to ask. So kind of just be paying attention to that. Don't go ahead. Going ahead does not help you, make a prediction at all. That's not making a prediction. That's just writing down what happened. So make sure that when you make the prediction, it's based off of what you've read so far and just kind of your intuition of things making that prediction. And then you'll be able to see tomorrow when you continue on with the episodes if your prediction was correct. Then on to grammar. Grammar is our fun times of changing the Y to the I and adding ES. So that's basically what you're doing for all of the words, is changing the Y, adding an I, and then putting ES. So that's grammar, pretty straightforward on that, and it even tells you up in the instructions, just these are words that you would use and you would, change it. I think there may be a few that have an exception, that maybe it would just be like if you say that you went, like that she buys food, buys, you wouldn't change the Y out of I and put ES, because that doesn't look right, one. So that one would be BUYS, but it's just try to see which ones that you know for sure and remember are the ones that you need to change, and also just kind of look at the spelling as well. A lot of times if you just kind of look at that, it'll make a lot more sense. And then our writing assignment today, remember, 1 paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, is about computers, which I think it's super appropriate for kind of the season that we're in right now. How are computers important to you, and what would your life look like if they did not exist? I think one big thing that you could really write about and elaborate on is we wouldn't be able to do school the way we're doing school right now. I wouldn't be able to make these videos for you guys, upload them to YouTube, and, you wouldn't be able to work on a computer or even a tablet or whatever kind of technology you're working on. You wouldn't be able to be doing that right now. So that's a big thing that technology / computers has offered us, especially in this season where you can't come to school. There's no way we'd be able to do any of this. So that's really cool. And that's also just crazy to think about, if we were going through this and we didn't have technology, what would we be doing right now? So that's something to definitely think about and kind of elaborate on, and just think about what you're doing at home too. Think about too, your parents are working from home. Some of your parents are working from home and they're able to use computers to get work done, and that wouldn't have been a thing before computers, for your parents to be able to work from home on their computers. So this season of life right now is a huge one to just basically you can look anywhere right now and say, if we didn't have computers, we wouldn't be able to do this because we're all stuck for the most part in our houses. So that's something to think about. I think it's definitely an interesting and timely writing assignment. So this week I am going to be sending you a link. Well, not a link. I'm going to be sending you a video of how to log into HMH and through your Rapid Identity account, because there is an icon just like for RAS. There's an icon that says like HMH Ed on it. And starting next week, we're going to be working out of that because the packet will be over with on Friday. And so once the packet's done with on Friday, then we have to move on to basically the normal curriculum that we will be doing in class, which means we have to be going to this website that I was using during the school year for y'all in order for you to continue on with this. I will make sure that all assignments are computer-based where you don't have to print anything off, because I know some of you guys don't have printing capabilities at home. And so I'll make sure that all of it you can just look at on the computer, type on the computer, and be able to submit on the computer. So that's all that I'm going to be doing there. And I'm not going to be doing a spelling test this week just because not very many people took the last spelling test. And so I'm trying to wait till till next week when everyone who may not have a computer at home or like a Chromebook, they're going to be able to check those out starting next week. And so that way I know that everyone will have a computer or something that they're able to use. So that's what we're going to kind of be focused on in that. But other than that, this week, it's just going to be working on those packets. And I will post like the cursive letters. Those will have to be printed. There's no way for me to do anything other than that. But I did tell some friends that if they wanted to, you can always try to freehand it and just look at the packet online and try to freehand it in your notebook. You can always do that. Like whatever is going to help you. But I just thought I would still post that, still keep kind of going forward in our cursive writing. And yeah, so that's it for today. I'll be back on here tomorrow talking about lesson 7. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me, email me. I am more than happy to help you. Have a great day.